PXI versus PXIe. What's the difference, and which one is the best choice for your application? If you're designing or upgrading a test system, understanding these two platforms is essential. Today, we'll break down the key differences, advantages, and when you should use PXI or PXIe. Let's get started. First, what exactly are PXI and PXIe? PXI, or PCI extensions for instrumentation, was first introduced in 1997 and was based on the PCI bus standard. It was used for automated test and measurement applications and offers a modular and scalable approach to test systems. PXIe, or PXI Express, on the other hand, is an enhanced version of PXI introduced in 2005. It uses the PCI Express, or PCIe, architecture for improved speed and performance, and still maintains backward compatibility with many PXI modules. So both are used in test and measurement, but PXIe brings some significant upgrades over PXI. Let's break down the differences, starting with bus architecture and data transfer speeds. PXI uses a PCI-based backplane, which means it operates at speeds up to 132 megabytes per second per slot, while PXIe uses a PCIe-based backplane, allowing much higher bandwidth up to 8 gigabytes per second per slot in modern chassis. If your application requires high data throughput, such as RF signal processing or high-speed data acquisition, PXIe is the way to go. Now let's take a look at backward compatibility and module types. PXIe supports both PXI and PXIe modules, so you can use older PXI cards in a PXIe chassis. However, PXI chassis cannot support PXIe-only modules. One important detail to know is that some PXI modules come in both standard and hybrid options. A hybrid-compatible module has a different connector type, allowing it to work in either a PXI or PXIe hybrid slot. If you're working with a mixed system, choosing hybrid-compatible modules can maximize flexibility. If you already have an investment in PXI modules and don't need the extra speed, PXI might still be a cost-effective option. But if you're planning for the future, hybrid slots can provide more flexibility. Now let's take a look at cost considerations. PXI is generally more affordable because it's based on an older standard, and there are plenty of legacy modules available on the market. PXIe systems can be more expensive, but they provide higher performance and future-proofing for modern applications. If you need a cost-effective solution and your application doesn't demand high speeds, PXI is a solid choice, but if you need cutting-edge performance, PXIe is worth the investment. So when should you choose PXI? You already have PXI modules and want to maintain compatibility. Your application doesn't require high data transfer speeds, or you're working with a tight budget. And you should use PXIe if you need high-speed data acquisition and faster communication. Your application involves RF testing, signal processing, or advanced automation. Or you want a system that is future-proof and expandable. And if you're working with both PXI and PXIe, consider using hybrid-compatible PXI modules to get the best of both worlds. So, should you go with PXI or PXIe is a question you have to answer depending on your specific needs. If you're working with legacy equipment and don't need extreme performance, PXI remains a great option. But if you're building a high-performance system that demands speed, synchronization, and future scalability, PXIe is the way to go. Want to build your own custom PXI system with new and obsolete equipment? Check out our PXI System Configurator to find the best setup for you. Link in the description. This concludes our comparison of PXI and PXIe. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.